Marta Pyrchala, Master and Teacher Reiki. Root chakra or base chakra. It's extremely important for your development. Why? Because it's a base. It has influence on all other chakras, on all your body and all your life. How? Base chakra is responsible for muscles, limbs, joints, bones, marrows, blood, etc. Now you can imagine why it has so big influence on your health. For example, muscles build all the organs. That is why the chakra has direct or indirect influence on health of all your body. Even your skin has a part which is a muscle. Now you can understand. Besides, the chakra is responsible for your surviving, especially material surviving. So if you have problems with money, if you have problems with having home, food, it means this chakra is not in good state. You have to take care of it. The chakra is responsible for feeling of safety, including financial safety, for innocence, for vital power, and there is so much dependent on the amount of your vital power. For example, if you don't have enough of vital power, how you can be healthy, how you can be optimistic, how you can act effectively, you can't. That is why this chakra has influence on all your life. Because if you don't have energy, vital energy, then you don't want to do anything with your life, with yourself. And then how it can look like? You can imagine that. This chakra is too important for feeling a power, for feeling strong. What can strength make stronger this chakra? Removing emotions which are harmful for it. For example, feeling of guilt or lack of forgiveness to others, feeling of fear, feeling of being powerless. This is something what harms this chakra. And you have to remove these negative emotions, for example, through affirmations. Soon on my e-learning platform, astrosalus.com courses online, will be available special course on it. Besides, it's good to work with your muscles, to do exercises which make this muscle stronger. And very interesting thing on the end. For example, if you are a healer, you can think that for health of your heart is responsible only heart chakra. But this is not true. Look, your heart is a big muscle, and for muscles is responsible base chakra. That's right. So take care of your chakra. This is important too if you develop your third eye chakra. Because if the base chakra is weak and development of your third eye chakra is strong and you start to see these all things, these all energies, ghosts and so on. So now you understand that if you have strong root chakra, then you feel safe, and this is no matter what you will see. If you will see a ghost or a thought shape, whatever it is, you will feel safe thanks to the strong root chakra. Now you understand why it is so important to take good care for your root chakra or base chakra. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share. Bye.